I got married recently, and these were the pancakes that turned my fiance into my hubby. Just kidding, but they're so easy to make, and he loves them and asks me to make them every few weekends. To make these, start off by mixing together wet ingredients, which is just 1 egg, 1 1/4 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of oil. Whisk that together until everything's well combined, and then add in the flour, baking soda, and a tablespoon of sugar. Whisk until everything is combined and there's no more large clumps of flour, but don't overmix here or else the pancakes will be too chewy. Once the pancake batter is done, we can set it aside and prepare the cinnamon sugar filling, which is just butter, cinnamon sugar, and a tablespoon of batter. I found that adding the batter will help the swirls keep their shape, and then you can put the cinnamon sugar mixture in a piping bag or a Ziploc bag and snip off the corner. And then it's really easy to make the pancakes themselves, but there's just a few tricks to maintain the pretty swirls on the pancakes. First, heat up a tablespoon or so of butter on a skillet on medium heat, and then once the butter is melted and has started to bubble just a little bit, scoop on a large label of the pancake batter and immediately cover the lid. Let the pancake cook for about 30 seconds. Once you start to see some small bubbles form on the pancake, swirl on the cinnamon sugar, then cover the lid on the pan again and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the pancakes are done. We're using a steaming method to cook these pancakes, but the pancakes don't have to be flipped. I've tried some other ways to flip the pancakes, but the cinnamon sugar always burns on the pan and the swirls disappear. Make sure to keep the heat on medium-low to medium, or else the pancakes will burn before cooking all the way through. My husband likes to eat these with icing, so I always make a stack and then top them with a generous amount of icing and some butter on the side. I hope that you give these a try for your next breakfast or brunch.